few minutes I want to prepare you all for completion. Please listen. Nothing. Just sit. Whatever you wrote, incident by incident, just visualize and see what happened exactly. And if you have missed something to write down, please write down that. How many of you understand what I am saying? Can we do that? If you have written 10 incidents, relive them like a re-roll, rewind. See what happened exactly and see whether you pen down all the detail. What was the smell of the room? What was the dress you are wearing? What was the dress the other person was wearing? How the room was? What was the roof? Any detail you forgot to pen down, relive and pen down. Come on.
शिव शंकरा शिव शंकरा नित्यपुरीश्वरा जय गंगाधरा हर 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 गंगे 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 हे नटराजा हे नित्यानंदा हर 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 गंगे हे नटराजा हे नित्यानंदा हर 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 गंगे हे नटराजा हे नित्यानंदा हर 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 गंगे हे नटराजा हे नित्यानंदा हर 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 गंगे 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 हे नटराजा हे नित्यानंदा हर 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 गंगे हे नटराजा हे नित्यानंदा हर 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 गंगे हे नटराजा हे नित्यानंदा हर 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 गंगे हे नटराजा हे नित्यानंदा हर 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 गंगे 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 नित्यपुरीश्वरा जय गंगाधरा नित्यपुरीश्वरा जय गंगाधरा नित्यपुरीश्वरा जय गंगाधरा नित्यपुरीश्वरा जय गंगाधरा हर 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 गंगे 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 शंकरा शिव शंकरा
What you did once reliving, do the same reliving at least 5 times. That's all is the completion. Listen. I am step by step leading you to the next steps. First you sat, picked up the first incident, relived once. Now relive 5 times. Then next incident, pick up and relive. Please understand the key. Reliving is relieving. Reliving is relieving. Any incident when you relive again and again, the pattern you developed from that incident will lose power over you. For example, because of your examination failure, the fear of examination, you developed the pattern of fear of failure. If you relive that examination fear incident again and again 5 times, at least 5 times, you will see that fear of failure, that pattern will lose power over you. Now, I will also be guiding you. This is the first level of completion. We are going to do some more levels of completion. First level of completion, first step of completion. We will go into the next levels of completion. The first step, if you have written 10 incident, first pick up the one, relive 5 times till you really feel bored. All the excitement, anger, sadness, joy, pain, whatever is recorded along with that memory, till that drains, till you are feeling bored, relive it. And reliving is relieving. Then pick up the second incident, relive it. Only when you do, you will understand the power of this process. Please start. Please tie the ribbon now. Now you have to tie the ribbon. Look at your past disidentified. Let attention be at a place where you are seeing some past happening, and even your form having lost its present characteristics is transformed. Please pen down.
प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो नित्य नित्य नाम, 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 नित्य नित्य नाम, नित्य नित्य नाम, नित्य नित्य नाम, नित्य नित्य
Now, can you all pick up your mirrors? You would have been given a mirror. Listen. Just hold the mirror, look into your eyes, relive the same thing you did. See, you did earlier closing your eyes inside your inner space. Now do the same thing using the mirror. Visualize, relive every incident, every incompletion at least 5 times again. Just like what you did with closed eyes, do it with open eyes, looking at the mirror. Visualize, pick up the first incident, visualize 5 times, relive and relieve. Next, pick up the second incident, relive and relieve. Because when you do it with yourself, you don't do it authentically. With mirror, you will be forced to do authentically. Please do it. even if you think you are completed, go on reliving, reliving, reliving. Let your eyes be centered only on the mirror. Already, how many of you are able to really feel that relief by this completion process? Raise your hand. Oh, great. So many of you got the knack. Tomorrow I'll lead you to a different, deeper process to lead you to the completion. Now, with this, let's gather for the next session. Thank you. Be blissful.